I am celebrating it wearing red clothes, getting some cakes, and I'm going to have a good time, partying time with my friends.
Okay, so what's the best part of Christmas? Obviously, festival is all festival are good for us
Yeah.
because girls shop and everything. So, what do you think was the most important part about Christmas, and what do you like the most in Christmas?
I love the most is I get to wear red. Being a girl, if you get to wear vibrant clothes and get to eat red cakes like red velvet, so I think nothing could be better than that. More than positivity and everything, because Christmas is a festival of positivity. I think all the festivals, whatever we celebrate, but this becomes special because it is coming towards New Year's end time and celebrating time. So this whole week is quite special.
Yeah. So, like mostly girls love to shop a lot. So, कितनी अब तक Christmas की shopping आपकी हो चुकी है?
ऑलरेडी मैंने कल परसों से ऑलरेडी इंस्टाग्राम की इतनी स्टोरीज बना के शॉपिंग की डाली हुई हैं. एवरीबडी इज टेलिंग मी स्टॉप शॉपिंग, क्रिसमस हैजंट कम एज येट. सो या इट्स क्वाइट अ बिट.
So,
आई कैन से.
yeah. So, Christmas is all about lightning your house and everything. So, क्या क्या decoration हो चुकी है अभी आपकी और कितनी बाकी है घर को कैसे आप decorate करेंगे?
डेकोरेशन अभी शुरू हुई है. लाइट विद द लाइटिंग्स वी हैव स्टार्टेड. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड माय क्रिसमस ट्री एंड आई हैव मेड माय सम गिफ्ट बॉक्सेस व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू रिवील लेटर. Yeah, so I've made my bookings. I've ordered two special cakes, which I think we should cut one cake as well. I've got some red velvet for you guys also.
Amazing.
So yeah, that's how it is. Basically, you get to eat so many cupcakes and cakes which you can't eat throughout the year. It is that.
And that too of diet too.
Yes. So I mean, this is the best time to cheat. That's why I celebrated more for 10 days.
So, Santa Claus से क्या आप gift इस बार?
मांगने वाली हूँ.
हाँ.
Santa, if you're listening to me, please drop in 5 good films in my kitty.
आपकी already ये film तो काफी super duper hit हो ही चुकी है रांची
जी.
डायरीज तो उसके बारे में भी जानना चाहेंगे like how does it feel like इतने बड़े stars के साथ काम करना and that too super hit जाना
Yeah.
people are liking a lot so what
Yeah.
do you want to
So I think I was very fortunate that I got to work and be launched by Mr. Anupam Kher, because for an outsider, it is very difficult to make your space even for your auditions. So when people like Anupam sir, Satish sir, Jimmy Shegil sir, they work with you, it gives you that confidence. Okay, you meant for it. I mean, you came here only for this. So my journey has just begun. I have taken my baby steps. Like, I'm trying to be a little modest, but working with Kher was an amazing experience because he's such a legendary actor with such kind of body of work he has. उनका विश्वास होना आपके अंदर is a big thing. So I feel very blessed to have worked with him, to have worked in Rachi Diaries alongside him.
so what you got to learn from Anupam sir and from this movie too
I think with Anupam sir, you have to be more of a silent observer because he is an ocean of knowledge. उनसे आप बैठना बात करना, उनकी जो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है, उनकी जो आई वुड से जो उनका स्पंकीनेस है ना, एट दिस एज ऑल्सो यू वॉन्ट फील कि वो 60 years के हैं. ही वुड टॉक लाइक मी. सो उनकी जो समझदारी है वो इनकल्टेट अपने आप हो जाता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम एक्टिंग आई एम सेइंग, बिकॉज एक्टिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली आप सीखते हो उनसे. सो दिस वॉज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी विथ सच ग्रेट पीपल. आई मीन, ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है.
so you heard you are talking with our colleague like you are working on festival too for the new year so if you could
Yeah.
elaborate and what is
Okay, so we are sending the film to different festivals. It has been shortlisted. So first of all, those things, and apart from it, I am gearing up for a music festival which is coming up, which is happening in Goa. So I might go there. I'm planning for it, which is happening just a day after Christmas and just before New Year's. So that's how I'm going to celebrate this New Year and Christmas. Yeah.
so your Christmas schedule is very busy
Kind of. Because shopping is also one of the thing which makes it busy. Because you have to wear different clothes every day, na. First of all, you're a girl and then you're an actor.
yeah
So you have to wear different clothes every day.
amazing so
Yeah.
like any further project you're working on
Yes, so I'm working on two projects. It's in the pipeline. It'll be again, like I said, it'll be too early for me if I just mention them. But yeah, things are going on, and hopefully, if God is kind, it'll start soon.
So even New Year is gonna come. So what's the plan for New Year and what you have set your resolution for that?
For New Year, party, party, party. And no, I want my parents to be here because it's been a while I saw them. Like I had met them during my promotions, like film release 2 months ago. So, but I'm missing them because for the first time I'm staying out of Delhi without my parents. So I want to celebrate it and start my new year with them, with their blessings, with their love. And resolution is that I want to cheat in terms of eating less this year because I have discovered that I have to lose a bit of more. Not that I'm not fit, I am fit, but still, when you're an actor, you tend to eat less fried food, less cupcakes, less of cakes and all. So I'm looking forward to do less dieting, be more fit, be more positive, and sign some more 4 5 films. That's my resolution.
So only you wanna be in a Bollywood or you will be seen in TV series or web series or anything?
No, I think primarily I want to work in films. So like it's too early for me to even switch over because I'm still discovering. Like I just turned 24 in September, so I'm just starting. So I'm enjoying this space. Why you want me to shift to? Okay, so yeah, yeah, maybe eventually because nowadays I think digital is becoming quite prominent and web series are coming. A lot of people are coming up with good short films and all. So yeah, definitely if I get some good opportunity, I would love to do that. But right now, yeah, films.
Then like with whom actor you want to work like and even director.
Oh yeah, the list is never ending. I'm so glad you asked this question. So I want to work with Salman sir, Akshay sir, Varun, Shahrukh sir, Amir sir, Amitabh sir. I would also love to work with Vidya Balan, Kangna, Alia. So yeah, the list goes on. And the directors, definitely Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir, Shujit Sirkar sir. These are definitely two directors I would love to work with.
Okay. So like list is too long.
Yeah, the list is long, but then this is I have to be little specific. I can't just go on. So, yeah.